Menteri Rangba Khubor Conrad ke Samla ulayathu batang hanong ba Shillong kiladon palat san lagngut ni Nongshong Shnong badai nakani kadaw balahab ban Pynbeit Ryntih bha lakalong hakalit kawan kajaka penyeng kali kayo kahat ban penne ki kiwa bat kiwe yakani ulajuba bhalor kajingatai lingkot haying dorbar balawan ra do MLA kamau renkeneng MLA kamau kerwat pat kumju MLA kanong thamai halor ki kampenroi ki bapentre New Shillong township.
So Shillong is growing rapidly, which of course is bringing pressure like congestion, limited parking, stressed water and drainage system. And these challenges are made harder by our hilly terrains and limited land. But we are tackling them with a clear and a phased plan. Today, small steps like street vending has been organized, with hawkers shifted to safer designated zones. A new city-wide fleet of 120 buses, including electric and AC buses, is being rolled out. The river rejuvenation, drainage cleaning, public space improvements are underway. And parking is being addressed through regulated on-street parking and 11 upcoming multi-level car parks. With Shillong population now exceeding 5 lakhs, so we need two-pronged approach. One, solve today's problem in Shillong, and two, build tomorrow's opportunities in New Shillong. So as we are all aware that we have set ourselves a target of building a $10 billion economy by 2028. And the economy rests on several pillars. One of the central ideas is to create a strong growth hub that can drive jobs and investment. So between 1995 and 2007, 915 acres were already acquired in Maudiandyang, Maukasyang and Umsauli under Muda. Post-pandemic, we have been completely focused on transforming this idea into a functioning reality. We have operationalized, funded and accelerated these developments.